This is SoundSheet, the all-in-one app for production sound, your schedule, your gear, and your billing in one place. Welcome to the walkthrough series. Today, inventory. What you'll learn: how inventory is organized and why categories matter. Adding an item with every field that pays off later. Photos, serials, costs, rental rate. Tracking individual units and serial numbers. How date-aware availability stops double bookings. Generating an insurance report. Importing your whole gear list from CSV. How inventory powers checklists, templates, and invoices. Your gear is your business. The inventory tab is the single source of truth for every piece you own. And once it's set up properly, it quietly powers your day checklists, your kits, your insurance paperwork, and your invoices. Spend 10 minutes here and the whole app gets smarter. Let's build it out. How inventory is organized. Everything is grouped into categories, and each header is collapsible, with its own icon, color, and a count of how many items are inside. Tap to fold a category away. Tap to open it. With a big kit, that's the difference between a wall of text and something you can actually navigate. The categories are built for sound: recorder, microphone, wireless TX/RX, boom and mounting, power and batteries, media and storage, comms and IFB, timecode, monitoring, cabling, weather protection, sound cart and bags, playback, computers, accessories, and other. Whatever you own, there's a home for it. Adding an item. Let's add a piece of kit. Tap plus. We'll start with the basics: the name, the brand, the category it belongs to, and a more specific type, like shotgun for a mic or belt pack TX for a transmitter. That type is what shows up in your kit lists, so be precise. Set how many you own. If you've got 4 radio mics, say 4. This is what availability tracking counts against. Now add photos. Snap the unit, or its case, or its serial plate. Photos make your inventory instantly recognizable, and they double as proof of ownership if you ever need it. Add the serial number. For a kit list, this is gold. It's what turns your inventory into a real asset register. Then 3 numbers that quietly do a lot of work. Purchase cost, what you paid. Rental rate per day, and this one's important. It's the price that flows automatically onto an invoice when you rent this item out. Set it once here, and you never have to remember it again. And replacement value. What did it cost to replace today? Which is exactly what your insurance report needs. Save, and it slots into its category. Units and serials. For high-value gear where you own several, you can track each unit individually, each with its own serial number. So, radio mic times 4 isn't just a number, it's 4 specific, traceable units. Availability, that thin Ks. Here's a feature that saves you from a very bad on-set moment. Availability is date-aware. Open an item and you can see how many are free versus reserved. When you add gear to a day, SoundSheet checks the date. A mic booked for Tuesday does not show as unavailable on Thursday. It only warns you about a genuine clash, the same unit booked twice on the same date. No more discovering you've promised 1 boom to 2 jobs. The insurance report. Now the feature rental owners love. Open the insurance report. Select the items you want to include, or all of them, and export a clean, professional PDF listing each item, its serial number, and its replacement value, totaled at the bottom. That's your document for an insurance claim, a policy renewal, or proving your kit's worth to a production before they hire you. Importing from a spreadsheet. Coming from Excel or Google Sheets? Don't type 100 items by hand. Import your gear list from CSV, and it populates the whole inventory in one go. Map your columns once, and you're done. How it all connects. Here's why this matters beyond a list. 3 places pull from your inventory automatically. Your day kit checklist. You add items straight from here. Your templates. Kits are built from these items. And your invoices. That rental rate you set becomes a billed line item with one tap. Set your inventory up well, and the rest of the app does your admin for you. Recap. So that's inventory. You can organize gear into sound-specific categories, capture photos, serials, and 3 key values per item. Track individual units, trust availability to prevent double bookings, and generate an insurance report in seconds. This is the foundation. Everything else gets easier from here. That's inventory. Next episode, we turn this gear into reusable, priced kits and templates, so you never build the same day twice. Subscribe, drop a comment, and find SoundSheet at soundsheet.app. See you there!